This T-fal Granite Ceramic 10.5-inch fry pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It offers good cookability for everyday meals. The granite ceramic finish looks nice and seems durable. You can easily fry eggs or sauté vegetables. The 10.5-inch size is just right for many cooking tasks. It's not too big and not too small. This T-fal Granite Ceramic 10.5-inch fry pan heats up quickly and evenly. Food cooks well without sticking too much. Cleaning is also quite easy, which is a big plus. This pan is like a reliable friend in the kitchen. It helps you create tasty dishes without a lot of fuss. The non-stick surface means you use less oil. This can lead to healthier meals for you and your family. While it might not be scientific-grade equipment, it performs well for home cooking. You can probably find this T-fal Granite Ceramic 10.5-inch fry pan on Amazon.com or in other stores. It seems like a good value for its price and performance. Overall, the T-fal Granite Ceramic 10.5-inch fry pan is a solid choice. It offers good cookability and easy cleanup. The finish appears to be long-lasting, and the size is versatile. If you are looking for a dependable everyday frying pan, this model is worth considering. It won't help you with your careers or pack your luggage, but it will certainly help you with your orders in the kitchen and improve the taste of your home-cooked meals. You might even see ads for it online. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes, that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: non-stick surface, easy food release, simple to clean, even heat, durable build, scratch resistant, toxin-free, oven-safe, good for frying, good for sautéing. Cons: coating may fail, not very durable, can scratch easily, uneven heating reported, questionable quality, short lifespan. Risk: some find it cheap, potential for deception. Features: non-stick surface, ceramic coating, durable build, even heat, oven safe to 500 degrees F, easy to clean, scratch resistant, toxin free, lightweight, versatile. Use this T-fal Granite Ceramic 10.5-inch fry pan has a non-stick surface with a ceramic coating, making it easy to cook without food sticking. It is built to last and heats evenly for good cooking results. You can even put it in the oven up to 500 degrees F. Cleaning is simple, and the surface resists scratches. It's also made without harmful toxins and is lightweight, making it easy to handle for many different cooking tasks. This T-fal Granite Ceramic fry pan has a non-stick surface that makes food easy to take out and the pan simple to clean. It heats evenly and is built to last and resist scratches. It doesn't have harmful toxins and can be used in the oven. It works well for frying and sautéing, though the coating might not last as long for the latter. Some people have found it not very durable and easy to scratch, and there are reports of uneven heating and questions about its quality, suggesting it might not last a very long time. However, some customers think it is a good value for the price, but there might be some misleading information about it.